Hello, in front of me I've got PEBBLEBee Tag Universal. In this video I'll show you device setup. In the beginning, this is how it looks out of the box. To start, we have to scan this QR code. So let me do it right now. And now, once we scan it, peel the sticker off. Tap Start, skip, download PEBBLEBee app, but before, press device logo twice to begin. Connect. Continue. And now open the app. If you don't have the app, you'll have to download it first, but don't worry, you will have the prompt. And that's basically it. Once the PEBBLEBee is set up with Google Find or Apple Find My, let's go back to this website and now select download the PEBBLEBee mobile app. Download it and then enter it. You'll have to create account by giving your Gmail or email account, and then you'll get verification code. Tap Add, Device, and now press your device 5 times on the logo. Device will connect automatically. Now, tap Continue and select what this item is. For example, let's select dog and type his name. And your device is now connected with the app. Thanks to app, you can manage phone finder, you can search for your item, manage device settings like software and firmware updates, check item name and change item type. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.